Hi boos, welcome back to my channel. So I just woke up, as you can probably hear my voice, but I ordered something last week, and I think I told you guys. I'm not sure if I did or not, but in today's video I just received a package from Fanjoy, and because it's fall and they have like mystery like hoodies, sweatshirts, joggers, other mystery things that you can get for like literally $10 or $15. So I got a merch that was from the mystery section. I think this is a t-shirt that I ordered, and it was, I believe, $10, but with shipping $15.99. So, and I just got this package today in the mail. I'm just gonna open it for you guys. And I also don't mind the noise outside. My neighbor is doing something in his backyard, I believe. So, there's that. And this is really cute. It says, "You're the best. You're the best." Enjoy. Oh, this is really pretty sage green. And again, I got in a size. Yeah, sorry about that. My sister was asking me a question. But this is from Kelsey and Pachel. If I said that wrong, if I say that wrong, I'll probably link her down below. And it says, "It's fine, mint shirt." So this is really cute. And I got a 3X. So it's really nice that they're having more sizes on Android. So I'm just gonna open it up. Like I said, it's a really pretty green. Just looks like this. So it says, it's fine, I'm fine, we're fine. So again, this is this really pretty sage green. It's like a mint sage green. So I'm gonna try this on, and I'll see you guys what it looks like when it's on. Guys, so this is what the shirt looks like on, and I'm in my mom's room because of my mirror. I have a bearded giant. Her name is Zella, Cleo Zella. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It says, "It's fine, I'm fine, we're fine." And it's like this mint sage green color. Again, really obsessed. Don't mind my outfit. I'm not wearing shorts today because it's pretty cold outside, so I might be wearing capris with this shirt and of course my Crocs. But I just wanted to show you guys the shirt in this full-size mirror. But this is what it looks like. Really cute. I would order more because this quality is super cute. Again, I'll link everything down in the description box down below, and I'll see you guys in the outro. Guys, so I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also comment down below what videos I should film next. And happy fall, guys. But yeah, I love this shirt. Really cute. And again, I'll link everything down below, the description box down below for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you boos next week in another video. Bye boos. Wait. Bye boos.